So that's going to be the footprint there. So any rocks need to be picked. And of course there's never too much rock picking, so well, this is upstream, and the flow that was going down the river's got to go through those two culverts. So the water's going to back up, and at some point it's all going to fit in those two culverts. And the dam is barely big enough to force the water to the top of these two culverts. The dam's only good for 4 feet, 6-foot high dam. So this guy, about 12 inches to go. So at 12 inches, those culverts will only be about half full. But super, super, super. And this took approximately 2 hours to install once we got the pumps going.